Okay, I'll start. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you very much for giving me this chance to introduce the AI application for Xiaomi's mobile and AIoT devices. And my name is Wang Yujun. I am from the AI department of the technical committee of Xiaomi. So what do we do in Xiaomi? We are manufacturing smartphones and the artificial intelligence Internet of Things, namely AIoT. So Xiaomi is one of the youngest Fortune Global 500 companies, and we are the top smartphone sellers across many countries. We have the largest platform of the smart devices. And on this platform, we have 527 million activated smart devices. And some of the devices has the sensors and the different ways of user feedback, like a microphone, camera, like display and speakers. So they are naturally designed for user interaction, where artificial intelligence is very good at. So the original goals for our AI lab is to research the most advanced AI technologies and accumulate the essential ones for our smart devices. So our work consists of it's a closed loop, consists of the AI algorithm delivery and research. So this closed loop is centered with data modeling and inference, which is user experience oriented. So this picture shows how we applied our AI technology on our devices. First of all, I use 5 different colors to represent our 5 fundamental research areas, namely computer vision, acoustics and speech, natural language processing, knowledge graph, and machine learning. So we extract the very common part from each area and form the platforms such as the NLP platform, search and recommendation platform, knowledge graph, and other platforms with AI capabilities. And meanwhile, we have the infrastructure called Cloud ML, where we can training our model and do inference all over the company. And different capabilities are applied on our devices. For example, our computer vision related algorithm components like high range or high dynamic range imaging, face ID, and human body detection, and so many computer vision related techniques. They are working for our phone camera, and we apply the audio for our phones and the wearables with these audio algorithms. And even for robot, we apply the environmental sound detection, object tracing, emotion detection, and empathetic natural language generation for our robot. Even we empower our AI sales and smart call center with our knowledge graph and machine learning and speech technologies. So I am from the audio and speech area, so I will take this area as an example to show how does our AI algorithms look like on the devices. The environmental noise cancellation is applied on our phones to improve the voice quality of the far end users, and we use bright voice enhancement for the near end users for better sound quality. So in this summer, we announced our earphones, Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. We applied the audio algorithms on it, such as speech enhancement, active noise cancellation, and embedded spatial audio. We use our acoustic labs to verify our algorithm to simulate the training data, a large amount of training data actually, for our AI modeling and for parameter tuning as well. So, and we set up a full stack interactive speech technology for our speech assistant called 小爱同学. And here in this diagram, we can see a user with a specific intention. The user can talk to one of the smart devices, to his microphone, and his voice is perceived by the perception and processed by the perception algorithms like microphone array algorithms processing, audiovisual perception, and sound component analysis and reconstruction. And the clean speech is recognized by, for example, automatic speech recognition, voice trigger, speech motion, and the resulting recognition result and rich speech information will be processed by the natural language understanding and fulfillment. Some of the feedback will be transformed into by the spontaneous text to speech to feedback to the users. And you can see the red numbers on this slide. They are the daily number of services provided. Actually, we provided thousands of millions of AI services per day to our users. Meanwhile, we contribute to the open source community. The very first generation of Kaldi is the most activated and largest speech recognition open source community all over the world, actually. And now Dr. Daniel Pavi and his team is developing the next generation of Kaldi in Xiaomi to empower the industrial and academic institute with speech recognition core algorithms. In the academic area, Xiaomi was MIT Technology Review listed Xiaomi as China's 2021 Artificial Intelligence Innovation Research Institutes because we contribute so much with our AI technology to improve the quality of the user scenarios. The lab won 16 first-class prizes in academic challenges. Our researchers and engineers summarize their works and publish papers. 60 of them are accepted by the top AI conference in the world. It's very amazing that our engineers and researchers can have such a giant platform with so many smart devices, and we hope we can collaborate on these platforms. Again, big thanks to everybody for your listening and your time.